Hi guys, welcome to our tutorials on how to add dark mode to your WordPress website. Dark mode is a popular feature that many users prefers, especially at nights or on low light conditions. With just a few easy steps, you can add dark mode to your WordPress site. Let's get started. So here is our website and let's go to WordPress dashboard and add a plugin. Plugin name is dark mode and paste it here. Download it. After that, activate it and go to plugin settings. You can also this one is for front end options and enable this front end. You can also enable the back end. So let's try front end and also the back end. Let's test. So okay, mm, there is no new changes is showing. So let's find out what the problem is. Okay, here is the body positions and you can select the body positions. It's up to you and your design type. I'm just selecting this bottom right and save setting. Okay, let's refresh this page. So here is our dark mode options and our dark mode is working. Let's go to pages and let's see if it is working or not. It's working, but it's not up to the mark. Let's see our website. So okay, our website is also enabled with dark mode. So dark mode is working, but it's not up to the mark. So let's try another plugin. Try this one. Activate it. First of all, uh, deactivate the other plugin. Um, Deactivate it and so enable front end and back end. So also see the advanced setting. Make dark mode default. No, switch settings, and this one is better. So okay, save. Mm, okay, right bottom. Okay, let's go to our website of our front end, and here is the switch option. So it is better, it's better, lot of better than the previous one. So let's see if there is a option to switch the admin panel to dark mode. So let's see if we found out or not. Enable backend dark mode. Okay, and save settings. So backend dark mode is working, and let's go to dashboard and working perfectly, and switch to light mode. Let's see if it's work or not. So it's working fine. And that's it. Your WordPress website has now dark mode enabled. Visitor to your site can switch between light and dark mode using the single toggle button in the corner of the screen. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. With dark mode enabled, your website will be more user friendly in low light conditions, and visitors will appreciate the added option. Wait. Let's see what are the benefits to enable the dark mode. Dark mode is popular feature that many users prefer, especially at nights or on low light condition. By adding dark mode to your website, you can improve the user experience for your visitor. Dark mode can also improve accessibility for users with visual impairments or sensitive to bright light. With the dark mode plugin, you can customize the color scheme and other settings to match your website design and branding. This can help your site stand out and create a cohesive look and feel. Thanks for watching, and if you have any feedback, kindly leave that in below comments. Thanks for watching.